Yo, gamers, you gotta check out this gaming headset. It's freaking awesome. Whether you're listening for footsteps in CSGO or picking up on skill sound effects in League of Legends, it can reproduce them all crystal clear with its top-notch sound quality and killer analytical ability. The surround stereo sound just sucks you right into the game, and you can tell where the enemies are and what's going down in the game like a pro. The ear cups are nice and soft, super comfy. You won't feel any discomfort even if you wear them for hours on end. And the noise cancelling is on point, blocking out all that outside racket. Put it on, and you'll be owning it in all kinds of games. So don't wait up. Grab one and start your epic gaming time right away.